In this video, I will show you how to find your Oura ring if you lost it. So it's very sad that you have lost your Oura ring, but hopefully we can find it back using the Oura ring app. So first, let's open the Oura ring app and then go to the top right of your screen where you see this little ring icon. So tap on that ring icon, and as you can see, ring connected, battery level 100%, and here you see find my ring, show latest location. So you need to tap on that, and here you see latest known location of your ring, as you can see right now, and then you see a little map icon with the location of your ring. I am not showing it right now because of privacy, but here you should see the location of your ring, and you can even tap on that map to go to Apple Maps in my case, and then it will show the route towards your ring. So it's very easy and very simple to like find your Oura ring using the app. So it must be charged, must be like not the battery must be not very low, otherwise it won't work. But if you charged it and use the app to find it, it should work. So if you want to get a discount on your next Oura ring, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get a $40 discount. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.